What's up, crypto family? We just passed the 4,000 mark on crypto.com. As you guys probably wouldn't be able to see that. Let's see if I pull this back. Damn. We're at 4065. Let me see. It's pretty big. Come on, little thing. 4065. 4065 on crypto.com. I don't know why it's not showing on these other exchanges yet, but we broke the 4,000 mark barrier. And I believe we're going to climb a lot more higher. But right now, you guys looking on Gecko Terminal right now. And someone just spent right now 8:34 p.m. They just bought $10,000 worth of Dogelon. They did it 2 times. No, they did it 3 times. Family, we're gonna have a major outbreak, man. This is how things are looking, and I'm so bullish. And when we go to Coin Market Cap right quick, as you guys see, we're sitting at 365, up 44%. Listen, we already broke the 4,000 mark barrier on crypto.com. But I guess, we got to wait. Crypto coin market cap has to, catch up. But that's where we at. And I don't know if you guys been seeing this. I wanted to show you guys this as well, that the whole market right now, they are in extreme greed. As you guys see right here, we are in extreme greed. Bitcoin is at 68,000, about to knock off the all-time high of 69,000. We're going to surpass 70 grand. We're going to surpass 70 grand. Dogelon is going to surpass the 4,000 barrier. What I mean by that, we should be knocking the 5s or the 6,000 barrier door. Family, I know you guys are looking at your wallets and like, oh, should I go ahead and buy some right now? What should I do, crypto? Like, man, look, we had a long enough time to purchase Doge Elon Mars. You shouldn't be like rushing and like feeling panic. Stop panicking. You had all this time. What you have right now is good enough. You know what I'm saying? Just chill out. As you guys see, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is $2.53 trillion. Family, come on. Dogelon has been steady climbing. It has been climbing that damn ladder. Look how close we're at the 4,000 mark on the trading view on Coin Market Cap. Man, you know how far up we went? Do you know how much gains that is in your portfolio? Do you know how much gains that is? That's a lot of gains right there, man. Let's take it back to the minute. As you guys see right here, man, we're sitting at 36.73 right now. And like, we're going to break that 4,000 barrier on CoinMarketCap. We already broke that 4,000 barrier on crypto.com. I just don't understand why the markets is not showing this right now. All you see is green. 36.41 on Trading View. Okay. And you guys see, like what I say, I don't like to hit on this day chart. I like to hit that minute and see what's going on. Moving averages right now, we are seeing a strong buy. Summary, we got a buy. Oscillators neutral. And this is what's going on right now. We got some people selling, but if you keep on scrolling, you guys see that we have a major buy in play for Doge Elon Mars. Okay. Now, I'm on Etherscan right now. And as you guys see here, someone just bought $18,000 worth of Doge Elon Mars a minute ago. They are accumulating. Listen, that one little whale bought 100,000 Doge Elon Mars on BSC. Okay. They bought $100,000 worth of Dogelon. That's not nothing. And that's not the whales I'm talking about. I'm talking about whales that's going to spend about half a million, or at least a couple $1 million. The last time a whale came in and bought up Doge Elon Mars, they spent about $80 million on this, man. $80 million. And I'm going to show this to you guys right quick. Mysterious whale buys 44 trillion Doge Elon Mars worth $80 million in the last 18 days. This was in November 19th, 2021. Be aware, these whales are coming back and they are hungry. They are hungry. So on crypto.com, let's see what it's showing right here on this price here. Right now it's showing 36.58, up 41% on crypto.com. But if you look at your wallets on crypto.com, I'm not talking about the crypto.com wallet, but the app on your phone, it shows a totally different number. Hey, man, come on. Come on. And as you guys see right here, breaking, BlackRock has submitted documents to acquire Bitcoin for its $36 billion strategic investment funds. Hey, these institutions got this game on lock right now. They got this game on lock. What you're seeing right now in these prices are nothing. A $70,000 Bitcoin is nothing. We're going to see that. We're going to break that by, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning? Okay? We should be in the high 4,000s about the same time for Doge Elon Mars. And as you guys see, Slum Doge Millionaire, he says everyone ape into Dogecoin right now. I was like, nah, he meant everyone ape into Doge Elon Mars right now. Dogecoin's cool. And like people who had invested early or even invested in 2022 and 2023 when it was about 5 cents, 4 cents, yeah, you're seeing some plays. You're seeing a little bit of play, but you're not going to see as much play action as what you would see in Doge Elon Mars right now. All right, look at this, man. Look at the market. Look at it. Check this out right here. So we over here right now, man, they're coming in. They're coming in. Whales are coming in. The buys been more in the sales lately, family. The buys has been more than the sales. This is what I'm going to show you, what Larry Fink. A lot of people are asleep. Where he changed his mind. This is a global crisis that's happening right now. I'm going to go ahead and play this.
ETF. We're going to be talking to Gary Gensler, the chair of the SEC, who made that decision reluctantly, maybe even begrudgingly, which was announced just 2 days ago, and we talked a lot about yesterday on the broadcast. How big a deal is that for BlackRock? And this was for you a big switch as well, because you were a naysayer for a very, very long time.
Yeah, I probably switched. For the first 3 years of thinking about it, I was a naysayer, and about 2 years ago, I switched. And I'm actually, as I said in the last 2 years, I'm a big believer.
Are you a believer personally? Meaning, is the Fink family a Bitcoin buyer or a buyer of this new ETF?
Well, now I could do that. I cannot, I don't want to compete with our clients, so I don't buy single assets. I'll buy mutual funds. I'll buy single ETFs. So I have an opportunity to do that now. But I'm a believer in it because I do believe it is an alternative source for wealth holding. I don't believe it's ever going to be a currency. I believe it's an asset class.
You don't believe it ever becomes a currency?
No, I think we're going to create digital currencies. We're going to use the technology for it. We're going to use the blockchain.
How important is that, though, to then the long-term value proposition
of Bitcoin?
Of Bitcoin. If it's not something that ultimately becomes a currency, if it's simply, we'll call it digital gold, it's an asset of some sort, what does that mean?
It means,
in terms of price,
I believe it goes up if the world is more frightened, if people have fearful of geopolitical risk, they're fearful of their own risk. It's no different than what gold represented over thousands of years. It is a asset class that protects you.
Right.
And unlike gold, where we manufacture new gold, we're almost at the ceiling of the amount of Bitcoin that we created.
When you hear somebody like Kathy Wood,
yes,
who was on our broadcast yesterday, say
right,
that her base case is that this turns into a $600,000 a Bitcoin valuation,
$600,000 worth of Bitcoin,
and a million plus in a super optimistic case. Are you anywhere in her realm?
I haven't thought about it.
Listen, of course he ain't thought about it, Jack. He ain't think about it, Jack. Want to know why? Because he doesn't want y'all to know. He doesn't want you guys to know it will be up huge. So a $600,000 Bitcoin can shoot up to $1 million Bitcoin. Doge Elon Mars easily can break these zeros and be 10 cents and can be at 10 cents. If Bitcoin could run up to 600,000, we're easily at 2 zeros, sitting at 2 zeros with Dogelon. Easily we'll be sitting at 2 zeros with Doge Elon Mars. For Bitcoin to shoot up to $1 million, easily 10 cent Doge Elon Mars. Easily $2 and some change for Dogecoin. Easy. We are here, fam. We ain't going nowhere. You guys see what's ticking. We already hit the 4,000 barrier over there on crypto.com. And it's about to get more bullish overnight. And I hope you guys are paying attention and locking in of what's going on. So I definitely appreciate everybody tapping in with me, watching these videos. I try to give you guys these updates as much as I can. And I know you guys definitely do appreciate it. But I also definitely appreciate you guys too. But this is how things are going right now. This is how the market is moving right now. Like what I said, someone spent 10 bands. Now somebody else bought 25.09 billion tokens of Dogelon at $9,000 total. The buys are going up. Things are going crazy. Family, just sit back. Enjoy this ride. Like what I said, the train is already moving. When I said all aboard, we were already gone. Stay tuned. Peace out, family.